Okay? So, ito si parent. Meron siyang controlling interest kay A, kay B, at kay C. Okay? So, notice, yung control ni C, yung control over C through B. So, dahil may control si parent kay A, B, and C, ang tawag sa kanila, subsidiaries. Yan. Meron ding significant influence kay 1, kay 2, at kay 3. So, yung may significant influence, associates. Yan. Now, this situation is illustrated as follows. Ito nga yun. So, ang question ngayon, okay, which statement is incorrect? Okay, again, sa pag-identify ng related parties, dapat clear kung sino yung reporting entity. A is a correct statement. For parents, separate FS. So, ang reporting entity ay yung parent. Okay? So, si A, si B, at si C. Si 1, si 2, at si 3. Lahat sila related parties. So, they belong to the same group. Yan. So, si parent may control at mayroong significant influence over those entities. So, lahat sila kamag-anak, yan, related kay party to the parent. Tama rin yung B. Dito naman, ang reporting entity, si subsidiary A. So, kung si subsidiary A ang gagawin nating perspective, okay, si A, okay, related sa kanya si parent. Yan. So, parent, si B, at saka si C. So, fellow subsidiaries. And dahil controlled siya, ng parent, okay, related siya dun sa lahat ng subsidiary, lahat ng associates. Okay, kasi controlled siya eh. So, kaya related siya kay 1, kay 2, at kay 3. So, ibig sabihin, so si A, related lahat sa kanya. Yan. Okay? So, again, of course, related siya kay parent kasi controlled siya ni parent. Related siya kay B and C kasi fellow subsidiaries sila. Related siya kay 1, kay 2, kay 3 kasi may significant influence si parent tapos controlled siya ng parent. Okay? So, tama din yung C. For the financial statements of 1, 2, and 3, okay, so, parent and subsidiaries A, B, and C are related parties. So, let's say, ang gawin nating perspective si associate 1. So, si associate 1, related siya kay parent. Kasi si parent may significant influence sa kanya. Related din siya kay A, kay B, at kay C. Kasi sila ay mga controlled entities. So dahil controlled sila at siya ay merong significant influence ang parent, so related si 1 kay A, B, and C at kay parent. Pero hindi siya related kay 2 at kay 3. Kasi kung tatanggalin natin itong mga subsidiary na ito, so hindi related si 1 kay 2 and 3 kasi mga associates lang sila. Again, kailan sila magiging related? Kapag isa sa kanila controlled o kaya jointly controlled. Kaya ang mali dyan, delta. 1, 2, and 3 are not related parties. Okay? Kasi ano lang sila significant influence. They are not related.